How to move apps to another drive in Windows 11. If your C drive's getting full, here's a quick fix. Move your Microsoft Store apps to another drive. It's a simple way to free up space, stay organized, and extend the life of your device. We'll walk you step by step through moving apps to another drive using the Settings app. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for moving apps to another drive. Before we get started, there are a few quick things to keep in mind to make sure everything goes smoothly. Your target drive needs to be formatted as NTFS. If it's FAT32 or XFAT, Windows won't let you move apps there. Not every Microsoft Store app can be moved. System apps are usually locked to the C drive. Ensure the drive to which you're moving apps is connected and visible in File Explorer. And finally, you may need administrator access in some environments, especially on work or shared computers. Once that's all set, you're good to go. Method 1. Move apps using Settings. If you're ready to move your app to a new drive, here's how to do it through the Settings app. Open Settings by pressing Win+I. Go to Apps and then Installed Apps. In the list that appears, scroll to the app you want to move or use the search bar to find it. Click the three dots next to it, then select Move. Choose the new drive, like D:/E: or an external NTFS drive. Click Move again to confirm. If the Move option is grayed out, the app can't be relocated, usually because it's not a Microsoft Store app or the destination drive isn't formatted as NTFS. Method 2. Set the default install location for new apps. This method is for new apps you install in the future. It sets a new default drive, so Windows 11 automatically installs them there. No need to move them later. Open Settings by pressing Win+I. Go to System, Storage, then click Advanced Storage Settings. Select where new content is saved. Under New Apps Will Save To, choose your preferred drive. Then click Apply to save your changes. From now on, new Microsoft Store apps will install on the drive you selected. Your existing apps will stay where they are until you move them manually using the first method we covered. When your system drive starts running low on space, your PC's overall performance can slow down. Fortunately, Windows 11 lets you move supported apps to another drive, freeing up space and keeping things running smoothly. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to move apps to another drive in Windows 11, linked in the description below.